Modern functions update. I'm gonna do 3 things. 1, give it for free to everybody. Quite easy. Second thing, new functions in old versions of Excel. And third thing, new useful functions that do not exist in vanilla normal Excel. I'm going to invent them and put them inside Excel. Quite easy. If you want, you can donate. I would appreciate it. If you want to support without putting any money, every time you click here, you will see a commercial. When you want, if you do want, I'm gonna get, I don't know, 1 cent per click or something like that. Otherwise, best thing, please share this video, share the add-in. I invented it, I created it for you. Please share it. It is the best way to support the project. Then new functions in old versions of Excel, just to show you one, equal XLOOKUP. Here we go. We have XLOOKUP, but we are on Excel 2007. Just to show you, we go here in the V, run version check, Office 2007. XLOOKUP was introduced in 2016. And on top of that, actually, we are on Linux. Zorin. Here we go. We are running on Linux, exactly. And it works. So if you are on Linux, you are going to love this add-in. Then new useful functions that don't exist in Excel, they should be in the normal Excel. They are not there. I invented them, like pick a date. This one. Now the menu is not so good because we are running on Linux, but we can just adjust it and a little bit more. Perfect. This is a way that you can use to select a date. You don't need anymore to remember it. You can select it and see that in a calendar. Of course, you have the default one, yesterday, today, and tomorrow. And I show you another one, a new thing that doesn't exist in Excel, equal ASK.AI. You can select a range, command like divide by name, for example, and the AI will do the job. It's free in this case, but you have to set it up. And down here you have the default settings. So you don't need to remember all of it. I'm gonna do a lot of videos and a lot of articles, so please subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you can subscribe to the Telegram channel as well, newsletter. You can try it for free. You don't even need to install it. You have just to drop it in a folder. I'm gonna give you the link to the installation guide. It's very simple. And anyway, I'm gonna wait you in the next video.